So over here you can see that I have a page, and let's say what I want to do is I want to search for similar images online using Bing search engine. So to do that, over here you can see that I got a picture right here, and here you can see that visual search is an option. So if I were to go around and click, then what happens is that it'll search out for similar icons right here, just like this, and you can go around and see pages with this right here, or see the related contents over here just like this as well. And that is what the visual search does. Let me just close this, and if I were to go around and scroll down, let's just do the same with this as well. So right click, and then if I were to go around, then you can see that visual search is an option. So it'll simply use the image for visual search, and as I right click, you can see that you get the similar images over here. You can also see more images, and you get more results for similar images, as you can see, and you can see the pages with that, or you can see all of the results over there as well. So that is how you can go around and utilize the visual search option inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.